doing? How's it going? Just hanging out here. Thinking we probably should cook our muffins pretty soon. What do you think? Hey, when did you get here? What? June, the kids from DeerLake are watching us live right now. Should we say hello? I'm gonna take that as a yes. Hey everybody, so glad you could join us. Shaina here from your DeerLake team and live with Miss Junebug from our kitchen. And just want to start us off with a little hello song, which some of you helped remember the words for me and helped teach me. So let me see if I get this right again. Are you ready? It goes like this. Hello to everyone, and how are you today? We've all come to circle time and laugh and sing and play. And when we're up, and when we're down, and when we're only halfway up, we're neither up or down. So roll your hands so slow. Oops, that wasn't slow, June. Let's try that again. So roll your hands so slowly, and roll your hands so fast. Give your hands a clap, 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 and put them in your lap, tap, tap. Woo! So nice that you could all join me in singing that song. June, you're supposed to be up on the chair because I need your help to cook. Come on, June. Come on, up. There you go. See, I told you, she's a pro. What can I say? All right, so before we start cooking, what am I cooking, you might ask? Well, some of you may remember that you often bring your banana muffins. And I always tell you, that's my favorite. Hey, can I have some? And then you never give me any. So I figured, you know what? Today I'm gonna show you my Mamabear's famous banana muffin recipe. And we're gonna make it together, okay? So this is like, I don't even know how old this recipe is, but it's super special. And what's most important, it's super delicious. But before we start cooking, we gotta get our things together. We've gotta get our ingredients, and we've gotta get our tools. So first things first, ingredients are things like flour, sugar, salt. Today we're gonna use raisins to make these extra special, and a little bit of cinnamon, and this funny thing called baking powder, and this other thing in this orange box. Wait a second, we used this before, but I can't remember the name. Do any of you remember the name? It's white inside, and we did a science experiment with it. It starts baking soda, yeah. And we mixed it with this clear liquid that looked like water but did not smell like water. Yeah, vinegar, yes. See, this is what I need you all for. Help me remember everything. So today we're actually gonna cook with it and make these yummy banana muffins. So before we get all of our measuring cups, we need our measuring cups, absolutely. And we need our measuring spoons. These little spoons that have special measurements to make sure we have all the right amounts of all the ingredients to make these delicious muffins. And you can say that baking is like science because you need to have the exact right ingredients in order to make it super yummy. So, June, we're gonna start with the bananas. Ooh, these brown bananas, you say? Well, these are actually the best bananas to make banana muffins with. All right, are you ready? Ring, 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 banana phone, banana phone. June, it's for you. June, it's for you, hello. It's Summer because she's being too lazy and she doesn't want to sit up here with us. Summer, this is important work. We're gonna have to call you back. All right, June. So,
now let's add these ingredients together and mix it up a bit. Can you help me sing? Mix, mix, mix it up a bit. Mix, mix, mix it up a bit. Mix, mix, mix it up a bit. Mix it up a little bit.
2 teaspoons. Lid back on. See, I'm cleaning as I go because if I clean as I go, this is going to make it easier to clean up at the end. And that's one of the things we want to think about sometimes when we're playing and having so much fun, is to, before we move on to something else, clean up what you were just playing with. Because if we just go all over the place and play with this and play with that and leave it all open and don't put it away, it's going to be so much to clean up at the end of the day. And I know some of you would agree with me that when there's such a big mess, I don't want to do it. But one thing that helps is if we were to clean as we go, well then we don't have as much to clean up at the end. I know that it also sometimes helps for all you moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas, aunties, uncles, any family or caregivers right now that are at home with you that might be thinking about, how can we help our young people clean up a little more? Well, one of the things that I love to do is to look at our options. And so, I might look at what I'm doing here today. I've got these measuring cups, and I've got these measuring spoons, and I've got these bowls. So I might look at this and say, hey, do you want to clean up the bowls first, or do you want to clean up the measuring cups first? Right? Breaking down the tasks to make it a little bit more manageable, so that when you achieve it, you feel good enough to go on to the next one. And on top of that, the other thing I really like to do is to say, hey, heard of a little thing called teamwork? Well, I had some teamwork going here until June left me. Don't worry, we'll get her back in a bit. She needs a little break, I think. It's cooking is tired work, she says. Well, the thing I like to do is say, hey, let's do it together. Let's say we've got Summer in the corner. We hear you, Summer. Thanks for adding your input. She said, yeah, cleaning up is so much fun. No, I was going to say, what I like to do is set teamwork. And saying, what would you like to clean up? We'll do it together. But you choose what you want to clean up first, and then I'll clean up and do the other part. So we work together as a team, because you know what? Sometimes when the job has become so much to do, it can look really scary. But when we do it together, somehow it always makes it more manageable to get through. Now, back to our cookie. All right, this is it. Woo! I'm so excited. Okay, take a look. It's all mixed together. All that deliciousness. So we'll put our dirty ones in the sink, because I'm cleaning as I go, right?
And now I'm going to quickly put the batter into the muffin tins. Go, go, go!
Okay. Woo! We got those muffins in. Look at that. Delicious. And now we're going to go to the oven and put those in. And we need our timer, everybody. Okay, these go in for 8 minutes. Hickory dickory bumblebee, high five to June. High five. High five. Oh, thank you for high five. All right, so guess what? The part that we've all been waiting for. The delicious muffins. And I gave them our little toothpick test. And yes, they are ready for eating. Now, I've got to do a little quality control here. Just got to make sure, everybody, that these turn out. Oh, can you just see that deliciousness? Check that out. Oh, that was all of our hard work paying off. Let's see, right here. Wow. June's looking at me over there from the couch thinking like, where is my muffin? You're probably thinking the same. Well, my challenge to you is to go and talk to your parents, your grandparents, your aunts, your uncles, whoever you're spending time with right now, and say, hey, can we do some cool science? Some cool science that means we get to eat at the end of it? Yeah. Remember, it's called baking. Or just any kind of cooking. You know what I mean? We want to hear from you. So tell us, what are you making at home with your families? So thank you so much for tuning in with these Mamabear's delicious banana muffins. And I hope to hear from you all soon about what you're cooking at home or what ideas you want to see us cook here. Okay, stay tuned. Just before we sign off here, I just wanted to say thank you so much for tuning in with me today to do some baking. I wanted to let you know we've got some exciting story time to come as well. We've got some of your favorite books, a little bit of caterpillar, a little bit of fish. Hold on, that's not the right words. A little bit of hungry caterpillar, a little bit of rainbow fish, and maybe even a little bit of Pete the cat. I love my white shoes. So please tune back in. We just want to keep the spirits going with everything that's going around. So hope you all stay safe, stay happy, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you so much. Bye.
Na 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 na, na 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 na. Hey, 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 see you later.